Hi guys, in today's episode I'm going to list out the instructions on how you can take good pictures of your car with your iPhone. However, I'm using an Android device, but I'm going to be instructing you the ways to take a good picture of your car with iPhone. Now to begin with, in order to take a great iPhone photos of your car and vehicle, you'll need to shoot from a different perspective. The background also matters. So first of all, select your background and then you need to compose with the color. That means the color contrast plays a vital role while taking a good pictures. And basically people prefer to go with the rusty photos and all sort of things. So you can search out for abandoned and rusty cars, all sort of details, and you can take a great picture of your vehicle. You can also search for leading lines such as title and all those of things, or you also need to have a subject. So basically you can include a human, any of the other subject that you wish to add it. And to be more precise, you can also go ahead and plan to create a monitor blur. You can also shoot in a poor weather. So these were some of the instructions on how you can take good picture of your car with an iPhone. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.